Just the other night at Avexia, I wanted to share it with you for a calming, easy breezy little flow. So we're going to begin with our feet relaxed, shoulder width apart, just sitting. Just for imagine reaching out and your hands just touching the water as you decide to immerse yourself in a cool water flow. Just gently working the hands up, out and away, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and just then start to layer the breath work in, breathing in and out, expanding the lungs, expanding the hands, and then contracting. Just imagine for a moment you can see the ripples that your hands make as they gently touch the top of the water. Breathing in and out. That's a contemplating posture. It's just to relax and think about where you want to flow next and how you want to move that energy. So now I'm going to widen my stance and I'm going to deepen it just a little bit. Let my feet feel the ground beneath me just like they're sinking into the sand. And we're going to begin to float, drawing up the water, bending the knees and then rising, just finding this nice ebb and flow, breathing in and exhaling out. And just for a moment, imagine that you touch the water. As you get used to the water's coolness, you let just that little trickle down your hands, down your arms, cooling water. Take a nice deep breath in and exhale out. Now let the breath guide the tempo. Slow down the movements. Take a nice deep breath and exhale. Now I'm going to move into another posture. When you are practicing at home, I would encourage you to put on a little music, maybe something with a gentle timer. I found a beautiful Reiki with the flowing waves that I'll share with you. But now we're at the bottom of the pool. And when we were kids, we would just gather the water and push ourselves up, uplifting. Just imagine sinking, gathering all the water and rising, pushing up off the ground to rise to the top. Nice deep breath. Elevating, rising. And just feel that cool water surround you. Immerse in it. Now we are fully immersed. Now, just like we swimming, we're going to draw the hands down and around. Very similar to striking tiger, but instead of the strong fists, the empty hands, breathing in and out. A gathering energy. Again, gathering that water. Let it wash over you. Get that nice synchronized movement. It'll almost feel like you're doing the butterfly, a swimming stroke. And then we bring it down. Palm up, palm down. Folding the hands, but you almost get this nice feeling like the breaststroke. Moving that water around us, letting it heal. So folding down and palm up. Breathing in and out. And then from the folding position, we're going to move into a soothing position. Just drop the hands from side to side. Feel the weight pour from one leg to the other. Relax your shoulders. Hands open. Soothing the body with gentle flow. And then we take that side to side movement, and now we'll step up and flow back. Up, flow back. Shifting the weight from the front leg to the back. Feel free to drop the shoulders and lift the chin, opening your face to the sunlight. Breathe in and out. And the last of our postures today. Again, we're going to move from side to side, but I'm going to move the hand up and to the back. Like a pendulum. Just feel the weight of your arms, shifting the weight. I hope you enjoyed today.